You better hurry up because they disappeared rather quickly in the time it took me to grab my phone. Oh, there they go.
The hell is
Do you see them?
Yes.
And see how quick they disappear? So those are definitely not fucking flares.
Oh, well, damn.
That is.
What time is it?
Hold on. 6:24.
6:24.
Looks like lights on the ship.
Was about 48 degrees. Well, you can tell the shrimp boat's right there, so it shows it above it.
I want to see. What is it? I don't see it.
Hold on, you just have to look.
Okay.
Maybe they'll do it again.
Okay.
I had these bright lights right above the boat.
He said, oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Come on. They're probably happening further behind that building there.
There was a fire?
No, it's not a fire, honey. There are these lights that just came out of nowhere and then disappeared real quick.
They disappeared?
Yeah.
I thought they
I
disappeared.
don't know, but that boat's cooking it now.
That boat's cooking it. Maybe they won't do it.